Okay guys, this is the car before the wrap. Okay, this one we're gonna wrap it on a 3M dark gray, matte dark gray. So this is a Genesis G80. It's very nice, but it's gonna look better. Okay, let's start with this wrap. Alright guys, the car is ready. You can see it. It's a nice color. It's more like a luxury car color, like the Mercedes. But you can see it. It's very nice. Yeah, I always have to clean the fingerprint, but I will do that in a little bit. So I just have to clean the fingerprints, but you can see it's very nice. Yeah, have more fingerprints over there and over there. Okay, yeah, you can see it. Looks pretty cool. Yes, it's great. So the links for material, tools, everything is gonna be on the description down below. And let me know what you guys think. Okay guys, the wrap is done. It looks amazing, looks great. This is more like a luxury car color. The color is 3M 2080 dark gray, matte dark gray. Okay, but let me know what you guys think. Put in the comments. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.